Hello. We are in the 21st lesson of Artcam 2011 training set. In this lesson, vector, we will cover the subject of offset vector. As the name suggests, vectors. Offset command. Here, there are closed and open vectors. We can assign vectors and sets in two ways. Let's use a font letter as a closed vector. To this letter, let's offset. Let it be a letter T. Fine. Let's see how to set offsets. Let's also have a single line like this. Now, when we enter the offset command, a window appears before us. In this window, at the top, offset distance throttling, to our offset amount, determines our quantity in millimeters. Offset direction below, the direction of offset, will fall outside. Or both inside. It will fall outside. Determines the game. Offset talk. Let this be the letter. Option like get cifra. In the bottom option. While active. After setting the offset. Deleting our original vector. It means I don't activate this. So that we can see it in our original vector. Let's start the application one by one from here. I say it should be offset outwards by 15 millimeters. In the sense of lower versus external. Already here too. Is showing us. Here are the blue options. Our original vector. Blue marker lines. Our original vector. If the red ones, offset versions. Here the red is outside. I.e. outverse. In the sense of offset outwards, when offsetting. Let's say a radius horse. As you can see, it has radius. It was offset. On the other, center. When we say offset. Expensive offset was thrown away. And lastly, let it be sharp. When we say horse in song. He threw it with a sharp tip. These are outward. What we see on our offset horse. When we say throw internal offset, we mark the inverse. We choose check. As much as it takes Katovic inside. 15 millimeters was too much. When we say 15 millimeters internal it will offset inward. This much. Both inside and outside. If he doesn't offset inside. If we mark this number. Both inward and outward at the same time will offset. I'll come now. Here we offset the explicit vectors. What did we say here? Offset outside but. According to what's outside, it's here too. There is right text. Open vector of the line. Where is the right? Previously discussed the question of where is the left. I also explained it in videos. To repeat again. According to the screen to the right of the line is not left and right. The heart of the line. Determined by the starting point. So the starting point is to the right. So this side is to the right of the line. On the left. Left of the line on this side. As the left of the open vector. Is accepted, right here. When I say 15 millimeters offset. It will offset to this side. When I say throw left. We'll throw it this way. So depending on the starting point. It will offset to the left side. And on both sides. When we say new sign in offset throw. It will throw nature into both sides. It will offset in all directions. And it will close on all sides, according to what wine. Let's check other options. When we say chin up. We'll give you its mirror. There is no chamfer here. Finally, when we say it was made with radius. It will create a radius when closing. That's all about offset. See you at the lesson of your death. Goodbye.